Shiv Yoga.
Shiv Yoga is not teaching you the idol worship. Shiv Yoga is teaching you ideal worship. You must have an ideal and you must focus on them. That is why the Shivalinga is the symbol of the universe. And within the Shivalinga, who is the Shunya, what is remained is the Shakti. When Shakti has to create, then it is the Shri Chakra. Now this is the Shakti which materializes, which creates, and this is the Shakti which dematerializes, which does the Sranghara. So these are the two main symbols, the ideals you have. And then you can have a photograph. And the Guru should not be above the God. Guru photograph should be below the photograph of God. So remember that. And always meditate on nature. Shakti, if you are doing the sadhana on the goddess Durga, goddess Lalitamba, Parameshwari, she is Moola Prakriti. Moola Prakriti is nature. At one end we destroy the Moola Prakriti, and at other end we worship the Moola Prakriti. Now it is so funny which is happening, and I am making my statement that during the Durga Puja, you make the idols which are made up of plastics, which are made up of plaster of Paris, which are made up of those colors which destroy the Moola Prakriti. And then when there is a Ganesh Puja, then there is a ego competition, who makes a bigger idol. After we worship that, then we say, now we have nothing to do with you. You are useless for us. We even tell the God, you are useless to us now, we have made it. So what we have to do is, we say we are immersing them. I don't know whether it is immersing or internal intention is something else. And when you immerse it in the sea water gets contaminated. So what got contaminated? Moola Prakriti got contaminated. Moola Prakriti got contaminated, so who got contaminated? We are contaminating the one which we are pretending that we are worshipping them. We are not, in true sense, worshipping the goddess or the Ganesha. We are just doing it as a fashion or whatever you can call it. So, in the Vedic time, when the worshipping was done, because in every festival, hundreds and thousands and millions of sea creatures we are killing. We are destroying. All the fishes, they die. Whereas in good old time, the idol was made up of food articles. What we consume, we used to make the ideal of that material. If you are really a worshipper of the goddess, then all of you must take prasad of that plaster of Paris and eat. Yes, that's there. Or take the prasad of plaster of Paris of Lord Ganesha and eat. Nobody will eat. When nobody is going to eat, then why you are feeding it to the Moola Prakriti? In good old days, it was the 7 grains, 7 अन्न का आटा और उसके साथ वो द्रव्य लौंग, इलायची, सुपारी और कलरिंग के लिए जो है वो हल्दी का इस्तेमाल होता था। फूलों को ड्राई करके उसका वो पेस्ट बनाया जाता था और उसकी मूर्ति बनाते थे। और उसी के साथ साथ द गॉडेस इज शाकुंभरी, द गॉडेस इज द वन विच फीड्स अस। सो वी यूज्ड टू प्लांट द जौ, द बार्ली, तो वो बार्ली उगती थी और उसको अगर आप नदी में डालते हो तो यू आर ए वर्शिपर ऑफ, इन ट्रू सेंस यू आर वर्शिपिंग द गॉडेस, you are worshipping Ganesha. But in fact, if you are making the god and the goddess of poisonous material, then in true sense you have no emotions. You are doing it for the sake of doing it.